But once you harvest them, they'll continue to ripen.
Oh, you ain't gonna never have to struggle. Yeah, mama, you the GO.A.T. Yeah, yeah. Said my mama, you the GO.A.T.
First day of the week, it's a Monday. I have an order today. Hey YouTube, today is October the 13th. I can't believe that it's already the middle of the week, but I wanted to get out here and show you guys another type of persimmons that we have out here in the field. We use this for pollination. You can eat it when it's fully ripe, but it's not a good idea to eat it before time because it can cause constipation. Let me show you. It's right here behind me. This one is more oval. Look at it, so pretty. That sunlight just shining on it. Wow, I love it, y'all. I love being out here, y'all, in nature. I love it. I love my job. I can't wait to get some land and grow some stuff on my own, y'all. I talked about this yesterday. You see how the leaves look, and there are some spots on the fruit. Yesterday we had a meeting. Dr. Brown, he explained more in detail. We didn't spray this year. Look at it. Ooh, don't pay no attention to those leaves. This one is more of a fiery orange. I just bit it. Y'all, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. This how it looks on the inside. Y'all see the little specks on the inside? It really does look like cinnamon. That's what it tastes. It does taste like that. I want to show y'all a red one that's like fully red, but to me the inside is more like mushy, and I don't like the texture of it. All right, this is the closest one I could find, y'all, that didn't have bugs on it. That was red. You see how soft it is? It's like, it still got some orange to it, but I don't want to bite this one. I'll just open it up for y'all so y'all can see how it looks on the inside. See? I tasted one this morning. It was pretty good. Yeah, that was so good.
Wait a minute, you haven't been recording one.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. The people haven't seen you in a while, Dr. Brown.
Huh?
The people haven't seen you in a
What
while.
people?
YouTube.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. You've been seeing my stuff all over the world.
That's out of here, you.
Right.
I wonder why people calling me. So you put me out there, huh?
You out there.
Well, I'm thanking you very much. I wonder why. Ooh, that's good. I don't care if you got birds dropping on that.
Where Dr. Brown y'all know they only come.
I don't even care if you got birds dropping on that shit either. You know I'm finna do it, D, right?
Right.
See, Mr. Jalen keeps saying they're not right, but they are right. He'll catch up sooner or later.
Yeah. The people,
these are what you call
the customers.
type fruit. Like a banana, they could be mature, greenish, yellow, and firm. But once you harvest them, they'll continue to ripen. The sugar content will continue to increase. They'll become soft, ideal the way you want them. And this is an indication that they got a long shelf life. I mean, these will last about a month and a half or something. So this is one advantage of these. You don't have to be in a hurry. And as long as they ripen and they're not soft, you don't have a problem with birds coming out and feeding on them. See what I'm saying? So you can go ahead and harvest them and then put them in a storage, and they'll last in the storage for a long time without deterioration taking place. So that, again, as I said, is one of the advantages of these persimmons, is that they got a long shelf life. See, all these are good. This is what you call climateric. Okay, some folks call them climatic or climateric, which means that even though they have a green color on it, but they are still mature, and they will continue to ripen after you detach them, unlike a non-climatic fruit, like a watermelon.
Watermelon, yeah.
If you harvest a watermelon green, it will remain green. It won't continue to ripen, but this will continue to ripen after you have detached it from the tree. Just as a banana. I have harvested some bananas that had green peeling, but the banana was mature. In 2 or 3 days, it would have turned from green to
Yellow.
To yellow, or orange. So, like the banana, the persimmon is also what we call climatic or climateric. Meaning that even though it's green, but it will continue to ripen after you harvest it. Unlike a watermelon, if you harvest a watermelon green, it will not continue to ripen. I mean, man.
Isn't it good?
This is really good. Isn't that juicy?
This is how you eat it. When it's like this.
I'm glad
I can't bite it because of my teeth.
I'm glad her camera can't get me.
So you want her Dr. Brown?
You mean I'm already in?
Yeah.
You eating it up.
He ate everything.
Bird dropping on the outside.
What?
It's vitamin C. Vitamin C.
Does it have egg color that's red? Egg color is orange and red.
See that little hole right there? Oh man, that's good right there. Let me go ahead and eat that.
You not.
I thought we had an eat competition.
Mine didn't have that.
Alright, YouTube fam, I believe that is it. That's the end of the video. And guess what? It's the end of the season. Like, you guys have been with us as we have harvested the blueberries, the muscadines, the Chinese chestnuts, and now the persimmons. I'm thankful for everything that I have learned this year. I'm thankful for everything that Dr. Brown has instilled in me, where I can be able to move forward and have my own. It has always been a dream of mine to acquire my own land, to grow my own fruits and vegetables. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, for every watch, like, comment. A special thanks to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I still have the business video to get out to you guys, and a Abijah's potty training video that I have to get ready. So y'all stay tuned for that. Thank you.